In this iUgo tutorial, you will learn to upload student details, manage your student list and edit details, you can upload student details using the Student tool. To access this tool, select Students in the main menu and Students in the drop-down. There are 3 ways to add your students into iUgo. The quickest way is by selecting the green Upload button. This takes you to the File Upload page. Here you can click on the downloadable Excel template to add your student details in the format iUgo needs. Or, if you already have your student details in the correct format, you can upload the file. The other way you can add students is by manually entering their details into the program. Click Add Multiple to add your students in one go. Enter their details and then add another student by clicking on Add Line. If you only need to enter one student's name, click New. Here you will be able to add more details about your student, such as gender, date of birth and email address. Only add this information if it is your preference to see this information within iUgo. Once your students are added, you can manage them in iUgo. Click on their name to open their details. Here you can edit or add student information. You can also take them out of your classroom list by making them inactive. Once saved, your student will no longer appear in your active classroom list. To make your student active again, click on the cog and select Show Inactive Students. Select the student you want to make active again. In the Students section, you can also set a student as a high priority learner for specific subjects. Tick Is Target Student and select the target type. This student will now show as a target student in your classroom list and any group planning. If you wish to make bulk changes to your classroom list, simply tick the boxes that appear to the left-hand side of each student, or tick the box at the top of the student list to select all. You have the options to make your students inactive, active, or transfer them to a different classroom. Lastly, you can view any other classroom in the school and view classrooms from previous years by selecting the year and classroom filter. Thank you for watching. For more tutorial videos on how to use iUgo, please visit our support section.